Now you are going to learn how to make the ears for your pig. So we're going to start with a slip knot, insert your hook. Now we're going to chain 7. For our first row, we are going to just place a single crochet in every stitch across, so that'll be 6 stitches total. Now that we've completed that row, make note we are not going to be chaining between rows. You are simply going to turn your work and continue on. So now for row 2, we are going to single crochet 4 and then decrease in the last 2 stitches for a total of 5 stitches. Now turn your work without chaining, and in the next row, row 3, we are going to single crochet 3 and decrease in the last 2 stitches for a total of 4. Turning your work again without chaining, you're going to single crochet 2, decrease in the last 2 stitches for a total of 3. And now for row 5, we are going to single crochet in just that first stitch, decrease in the last 2 for a total of 2 stitches in this row. And now in the final row, you're just going to place 1 decrease in these 2 stitches, and then you'll have 1 final stitch. Now you're going to pull out a long tail for sewing. Snip that off. There's your 1 ear. You're going to make 1 more, and then they'll be attached to the top of your pig's head.